Hola y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. I am Juan Rojas. Mi nombre es Juan Rojas and I am one of the Spring Spanish teachers. In this video, I will teach you how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Te voy a enseñar cómo presentarte y decir tu nombre en español. So, if you really want to know new people, make some amigos and bring your social life to Spanish-speaking community, this is the video you'll want to watch. ¡Acompáñenme! Introducing yourself and giving your name is a very important first step to approach anyone new. When meeting a new group of people, you might think a wave and a quick hola will cover the whole group. But usually that's not the case with us Latinos. If you really want to seem friendly and polite, agrégale más sabor a tu presentación. Add some extra flavor to your introductions. There are many words and expressions you can use, but one that will always work no matter the context is Hola, mi nombre es Juan. Mucho gusto. Hola, mi nombre es Juan. Mucho gusto. This means hello, my name is Juan. Nice to meet you. So let's break it down a little to fully understand how to use it. Hola means hello or hi, and it's a great way to start introducing yourself in any context. Then you'll want to give your name. Even though we Hispanics tend to have 2 or more first names and 2 last names, we usually give our first name, and depending on the context, we provide our first family name. So even if your name is Simón José Antonio de la Santísima Trinidad Bolívar Palacios Ponte y Blanco, you'll probably want to give that to Simón Bolívar. These are some common options you can use. Soy Juan. Soy Juan. This means I am Juan. Mi nombre es. Mi nombre es. Mi nombre es Juan. My name is Juan. Me llamo. Me llamo Juan. Me llamo Juan. I'm called Juan, which works exactly as my name is. So now we finish the sentence in a very polite way. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. This means nice to meet you. If you want to make it a little more personal and say where you're from, you can use soy. As we already know, soy means I am. So it can be... Wait. What? Soy can be used to describe yourself in many ways. In this case, it can be used to describe your nationality or where you're from. Veamos algunos ejemplos. Let's see some examples. Soy de Medellín. Soy colombiano. This means I'm from Medellín. I'm Colombian. Soy de Kentucky. Soy estadounidense. I'm from Kentucky. I'm American. Soy de Toronto. Soy canadiense. I'm from Toronto. I'm Canadian. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Let me know in the comments. ¿Cómo vamos hasta ahora? How are we doing so far? We're halfway there, so buckle up because at this point, your new friends will be very impressed with your Español and will probably want to shake your hand or even give you a kiss or 2. We Latinos tend to shake hands in the first time we meet someone, and there are some places where, depending on the situation, they will give you a hug or even a big, fat, juicy beso en la mejilla.
¿Han visto mi nave espacial?
We gotta switch him back.
A way to keep the conversation flowing and show some interest in the other person is to ask them the same information. So here are some expressions you can use. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? This literally means how are you called or named, but in Spanish, again, this is just another way to say what's your name. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Excelente! Now that we know this, let's notch it up a little and combine our introduction with some friendly questions. Hola, me llamo John. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Hola, me llamo John. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Hello, my name is John. What's your name? Hola, soy Cadence. Mucho gusto. ¿Cómo te llamas? Hola, soy Cadence. Mucho gusto. ¿Cómo te llamas? Hello, I'm Cadence. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Mucho gusto, Eduardo. Mi nombre es Declan. Yo soy de Inglaterra. ¿De dónde eres? Mucho gusto, Eduardo. Mi nombre es Declan. Yo soy de Inglaterra. ¿De dónde eres? Nice to meet you, Eduardo. My name is Declan. I'm from England. Where are you from? Muy bien. Now you know exactly how to introduce yourself to people in Spanish. Time to start making some friends. Try and make your own versions and mix up some questions with your own style. And make sure to leave them on the comments so we can check them out. We have a whole series of Spanish beginner videos. So feel free to check out the other videos from me and the other Spring Spanish teachers on our channel. If you're ready to take it a step further and get serious about learning Spanish, we have a free Spanish training on our website where you'll discover the method we use in our Spring Spanish Academy to teach students to speak fluent Spanish. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. If you're interested, just click in the link in the description to sign up. Adios! Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with your friends.